I thought I should do a quick video of how to connect a propane can like this, a pound propane can, to a stove like this. So the main thing is that the propane inside, it comes out from the top, but you first have to remove this cap, this. Now, as you can see right here, there's a little pin inside, and the gas comes out when that pin is pressed. And this stove here has this pin, which is supposed to press the pin that's inside. So once you have this cap off, it's a matter of simply putting this on top, metal to metal contact, and you just do it by your hand. Once it's all the way in, it will start pressing on the pin. Just hand tight it, and now it's ready. To light up this stove, you have to use a match like this, and basically this much light. You probably cannot see the flame, but it's there. And the flame will be more visible here. And to safely store it back, all you do, it's pretty hot, to just move it counterclockwise. It will make a little pop sound. Like that. Okay, the popping sound because this pin came out. And then you have it, this one separate, and this one is separate. The two things are separate now. You just put the cap on top.